Anymore.
I don't live in that neighborhood anymore.
Asleep.
He fell asleep while watching the movie.
Lesson 11. Berry.
I picked a red berry from the bush. Collect.
My brother collects old coins from different countries. Compete. She loves to compete in singing contests. Conversation. I had a long conversation with my best friend last night. Creature. A strange sea creature appeared near the boat. Decision. It was a difficult decision to move abroad. Either. You can either stay here or come with us. Forest. We camped in a quiet forest near the river. Ground. The ground was covered with fresh snow. Introduce. Let me introduce you to my parents. Marry. My uncle will marry his fiancée next month. Prepare. I need to prepare dinner before the guests arrive. Sail. They plan to sail across the ocean next year. Serious. He was taken to the hospital with a serious injury. Spend. We spent the whole day at the amusement park. Strange. It's strange that no one answered the phone. Truth. Always tell the truth, even when it's hard. Wake. I usually wake up at 6 every morning. Lesson 12. Alone. She felt alone after moving to a new city. Apartment. They rented an apartment near the university. Article. I found an interesting article about space travel. Artist. The artist painted a beautiful sunset on the wall. Attitude. His positive attitude makes people like him. Compare. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone is different. Judge. It's not fair to judge someone by their appearance. Magazine. He bought a sports magazine at the train station. Material. The dress was made from soft cotton material. Meal. We shared a delicious meal with our friends. Method. This is the best method to learn new vocabulary. Neighbor. Our neighbor helped us fix the broken fence. Professional. She looks very professional in her new uniform. Profit. The company made a big profit last year. Quality. I always choose shoes with good quality. Shape. The table has a round shape. Space. I need more space to put my clothes. Stair. He ran up the stairs to catch the train. Symbol. A heart is a common symbol of love. Thin. The cat became thin after being lost for days. Lesson 13. Blood. The nurse took a sample of my blood for a test. Burn. Be careful not to burn your hand on the stove. Cell. The prisoner sat quietly in his cell, thinking about his mistakes. Contain. This box contains all the old photos. Correct. Your answer is correct. Good job. Crop. Rice is the main crop in many Asian countries. Demand. Customers demand better service these days. Equal. Men and women should have equal rights. Feed. Please feed the dog before you leave. Hole. The rabbit jumped into a hole in the field. Increase. The number of tourists has increased this year. Lord. The Lord owned most of the land in the village. Owe. He still owes the bank a lot of money. Position. He changed his position to sit more comfortably. Raise. They raised the flag at sunrise. Responsible. She is responsible for taking care of the office keys. Sight. The mountain view was an amazing sight. Spot. We found a nice spot under the tree for our picnic. Structure. The bridge is a strong metal structure. Whole. He ate the whole sandwich in just 2 bites. Lesson 14. Coach. Our coach encouraged us to practice harder. Control. You can control the volume with this remote. Description. Her description of the city made me want to visit. Direct. I took a direct flight from Bangkok to Tokyo. Exam. The English exam was easier than I expected. Example. Let me give you an example of how it works. Limit. Everyone has a limit. Local. We bought some fresh fruit from the local market. Magical. It was a magical night full of stars and laughter. Mail. I received a package in the mail this morning. Novel. She's reading a novel about life in the future. Outline. The teacher asked us to write an outline before the essay. Poet. My brother writes poems and dreams of being a poet. Print. Please print 2 copies of this report. Scene. The first scene of the movie was very dramatic. Sheet. I need another sheet of paper to finish the test. Silly. It was silly of me to forget my own birthday. Store. They opened a new store near the bus station. Suffer. Many people suffer from allergies in the spring. Technology. Modern technology helps us stay connected. Lesson 15. Across. The children ran across the playground. Breathe. Take a deep breath and try to relax. Characteristic. A key characteristic of lions is their loud roar. Consume. He consumes too much sugar every day. Excite. The idea of traveling abroad really excites me. Extreme. The desert has extreme temperatures during the day. Fear. She has a fear of flying on airplanes. Fortunate. We were fortunate to find shelter before the storm. Happen. What will happen if we press this button? Length. The length of this rope is 5 meters. Mistake. Making mistakes is part of learning. Observe. The scientist observed the stars through a telescope. Opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity to learn something new. Prize. She won a prize for her beautiful painting. Race. Hundreds of runners joined the city marathon race. Realize. I just realized I left my phone at home. Respond. Please respond to my email as soon as possible. Risk. He took a big risk by investing all his money. Wonder. I wonder what time the concert will start. Yet. I haven't finished my homework yet.